You like that too, Petey? You like your toy?
You got a Mikey cup to drink some milk.
You're like, I could use that. I could definitely use that.
We always need baby wash. Always need baby wash. Santa knows that. And what's that? Another bird.
Well, Mommy got you.
Silverware for Halloween. Yes, we always need silverware.
That's right.
Look at this cool shirt.
Ooh. You like that, Bubba? You like that? You're like, let's get to the big toys, Mom. I want to get the big toys.
And a monkey washcloth.
Look at monkey washcloths, mister.
And another monkey washcloth Petey Pie.
One more monkey washcloths. That's right. One more monkey washcloths.
And some more silverware for Petey Pie. And a hat for Petey. Petey, got a hat for you. And first aid kit, Petey Pie.